Department of EEE from DBS Institute of Technology, Kavali. Today, I discuss about the geothermal energy. So, what is geo? Geo means earth and thermal means heat. The energy extracted from this earth is nothing but the geothermal energy. Before going to the geothermal energy, first of all, we have to learn about the internal structures of the earth. So, mainly this earth consists of the crust, the mantle and the core. So what about the crust? Crust is the uppermost shell of the earth that extends to variable depths below mountains, continents and oceans. So the thickness of this crust depends upon its areas. That means if suppose when you have to take in the mountain it is 70 to 75, or when you have to take the continental it is the 30 to 40, and when it will be ocean it will be maximum it will be 90 kilometers. So upon that crust then the other thing will be mantle. So mantle is the second concentrated shell of the earth that lies beneath the crust everywhere. They are subdivided into upper and lower mantles. Between these two layers being placed at 900 to 1000 kilometers below the earth. And the third thing we have taken as the core. Core is the innermost concentric shell of the earth. The core boundary begins at depth of 2900 kilometers from the surface and it extends to the center of the earth at 6371 kilometers. So these are the basic of the internal structure of the earth. Here, while coming about the introduction, we already discussed about the word geothermal comes from the Greek word, and this means here the geo means earth and the thermo means heat. So the energy, the heat energy, whatever that comes from the earth is called geothermal energy. So here the mass of the earth is called as the magma. So what is the magma means? The heat, where the heat will be produced is nothing but the magma. The thickness of crust above magma is about 32 kilometers in average. So and then geothermal energy from earth interior is almost as inexhaustible as solar or wind energy. The center of this earth estimated at temperature up to 10,000 kilos due to decay process of radioactive. This is the geothermal energy. So these are the main thing. Here there is the magma. Magma is nothing but it is the source of the heat. Where the heat will be produced is nothing but the magma, and then it is called impermeable bedrock. Impermeable bedrock or solid rock. Here whatever the heat extracted from the magma it will be carried to this solid rock, and then it will permeable rock or porous rock. So here in the porous rock the rainwater is flowing here. Whatever the heat obtained in the magma it will be absorbed to this porous rock, and it will be condensed in the form of the steam and hot water. Then it will be passes to the turbine, and whatever the turbine is coupled to the generator, whenever the turbine will be rotated then it will be produces the electricity. This is the main thing of the geothermal energy. So in this there is a production wall and induction wall, injection wall will be there. Next there are the different types of geothermal sources are there. Under that there is hydrothermal sources, and this hydrothermal sources is subdivided as the vapor dominated reservoir and liquid dominated reservoirs. So under the vapor dominated reservoirs only we have to produce that means it is also called as dry stream reservoir, and in the liquid dominated reservoir it is called as wet stream. So in the vapor only we have obtained the steam, and the liquid we have obtained the hot water and the steam. So we will discuss this with whatever the geothermal sources are there in the next class. Thank you.
Good morning. I
Smt.Sujala from EEE department from DBS Institute of Technology, Kavali. Today we discuss about the geothermal resources. So in this geothermal resources, they are classified as hydrothermal, petrothermal, and geopressure resources. So basically these hydrothermal sources are further classified as vapor dominated or dry stream field, and then liquid dominated, or it is also called wet stream field, and hot water field. So basically, first of all, what is dry stream field? So dry stream field is the most desirable form of geothermal energy. The steam is clean and easy to convert into the electrical energy. Overall cost is considerably less than the nuclear power. Here the California is a good example of the dry stream fields. The steam in this dry stream phase, the steam is directed onto a closed water flow, which on the external contact becomes steam, which is turned to use to move the blades. The spent water steam is then condensed back into the water by condenser and then exposed again to the heat of a dry steam. So in this plant is called as a vapor dominated power plant. So in this vapor dominated power plant, so here we, as shown in the figure, here dry steam power plant, there is a centrifugal separator. Here the production well is there. From this production well, it will be the steam whatever is obtained is going to the turbine. But before this, there is a centrifugal separator through this production well. As the steam flows towards the ground surface, it expands and cools. The whatever the centrifugal separator is there, it removes the impurities from steam. Then the steam is admitted to the steam turbine, where the steam expands and producing the kinetic energy. The low pressure steam is condensed to the condenser and re-injected into the earth of the re-injection valve. So from this turbine is coupled to the generator. This and the whatever, when it will be coupled to the generator, then the output will be the electric power. Here the condenser is whatever the condenser, it will be connected to the cooling tower. From this cooling tower, again it will be the recycling process, and then it will be cooled, and then it will be goes to the injection valve. And next one, this is about the dry steam power plant, and next one is liquid dominated systems. Under the liquid dominated systems, there are basically two power plants are there. First one is flashed steam system, and second one is binary field systems. So under the flashed system and binary systems, this is about the diagram which shows system. What is the difference between the vapor dominated and liquid dominated? Means in the vapor, only from the steam we get the electric energy. Only steam will be obtained from the projection well. But as shown in the figure from liquid dominated, so here from the projection well, the steam and hot water two are available. The steam will be goes to the turbine and then coupled to the generator, and then the electric power will obtain. Here we observe that the hot water also released from this liquid flash. So here that means the mixture of geothermal water and steam delivers to the flash steam separator. The steam and water are separated. The steam is delivered to the turbine. The turbine is coupled to the generator. The discharge from the steam turbine is delivered to the direct contact condenser, and this re-injected into the ground. Thank you.